Good morning, writers, opinion writers. I am coming to you from my back deck, just kind of enjoying an early morning with a Coke in hand. You're probably doing this in November, probably October, November. There might even be snow on the ground and you're wearing coats and it's cold. So I decided to give you a little bit of the last few moments of summer. So, we are on our 6th step. We are halfway through our opinion. I'm excited. And now you're going to start digging into the whole meat, the reasons. Okay? And the reasons are going to start, these reason paragraphs are going to start fleshing it out. You're just going to start really arguing for your topics. And this is where you're going to have to give me some very concrete examples. All right? Up until now, you've been pretty general. And you've used your plan. And as you notice, if you're looking out here on my screen, your reason 1 paragraph says that you now have to give some examples. And 3 examples. 3 of them. You could add more. However, I'm asking for at least 3. Now, if you are paying any close attention here, you will notice that your first reason has already filled in for you, so you don't have to go back and look for it. I gave you your first reason, whatever your first reason is. Mine just happens to say that there are many flavors of ice cream. Now I get to name names. Now I get to be very specific. And I know that's where you all want to go because you all want to give me details and be specific. Now you can do that. Okay? So I'm saying there are many flavors of ice cream. That's one of my favorite reasons. Okay? That's my first reason. Now, I have to list what those flavors are. Name names. Okay? So, and I would like you to use complete sentences, not just list. If I said here, chocolate, well, that's not necessarily a complete sentence. There are many flavors of ice cream. Chocolate, and you could put down here, vanilla, but I don't want one-word answers. I do want this to be in rather a sentence format. And tell me some examples. So, rich, creamy, dark chocolate is a delicious flavor for many people. Okay? So that's, we have a subject, which is the chocolate, and what it is. Important. It's delicious. What is it? Next example, I am going to go with, I love Rocky Road. Okay, and it's a derivative of chocolate. I get that. You could, so I could, instead of saying rich, dark chocolate, you could put in there Rocky Road. I'm just going to go with chocolate. Let's see. Another one that I really like is praline. Praline pecan. I love that. I do. So I'm going to put that in there. Sweet and caramely. Sweet and caramel flavors with bits of pecan make pecan praline flavored ice cream a yummy treat. Please make these full sentences, okay? These have to be sentences. A sentence has a subject and a predicate. what you're talking about, and a little bit of description. Okay? Again, stretch out those sentences, like praline ice cream. Okay, give me more. What kind, or what's its color? Describe it a little bit. You need to give me more details here. So, don't just be stingy with your words. Don't be lazy, because I will make you redo these green sentences. If you only list just, like, chocolate is yummy, and that's all you say, I'll come back and say, you need more. You need to talk long and deep about what the flavors are, because there are more flavors and you can describe them, add heart to that. So you need to really lamp it up, because you're trying to convince me about your topic. You're trying to change my mind, change the world. Okay? So don't be lazy here. Your reasons are why, and give me examples, because nobody ever won an argument with the saying, because, just 'cause. I need to drive. Why? 'Cause doesn't win an argument. I need a cell phone. Why? 'Cause doesn't win an argument. There's no reason. You don't give reasons. You don't tell me how important it is. You don't change my mind in any way. Change my mind, please. Talk me into it. Sell me. Almost making an ad. This is where you're going to sell me. Okay, so next part. Here, another flavor could be, let's see. What's another I love strawberry ice cream. Strawberry ice cream is fruity and sweet with a refreshing flavor for you. Alright, so now, once you've done that, you can click off of it, and you'll kind of notice down here your reason paragraph is starting to shape up. So you have all of this. There are many flavors of ice cream. Rich and creamy chocolate is a delicious flavor for many people. Sweet and caramel flavors with bits of pecan make praline flavored ice cream a yummy treat. Strawberry ice cream is fruity and sweet with a refreshing flavor for you. That paragraph is starting to flesh out. All right, so your next step, I will see you in the video below, and we will get this paragraph going. I mean, it's going. I mean, it's, if you give me nice, solid examples with good description, we'll make your paragraph just pop. It'll be so much better. So, put a lot of work in on these examples. This is where you might want to go and start researching some facts. Okay? Like, if you're writing about basketball and you're saying that traveling is, or excuse me, maybe not traveling, but having a good layup is incredibly important, talk to me about how a layup will help you with your basketball skills. What makes a layup so critical to being a good basketball player? And you're going to have to list 3 things about what makes a layup a game-winning strategy for a player to have in their toolkit. All right, I'll talk to you a little bit later. I'll be walking around. If you are stuck, if you have any questions, please stop. Come confer with me, with your teacher, and we'll get through this. These paragraphs are so important. Work hard on them. I'll see you in just a little bit to finish out our paragraphs.